Hey, I want to tell you all about boats.
If the water is the people and the sea is the masses, all the masses of people, then what is a boat? It's a construct used to keep you over the people. What is it constructed of? What is wood? Wood means crazy. It's made of craziness and deception. Deception of the crazy ones and their direction of the monstrous thing that eats the people. But when they realize that all they need is each other, what's gonna happen then? Tell me what will happen.